Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My today's topic is on boost your immunity with vitamin C against COVID-19. Let me tell you what are benefits of vitamin C and what is vitamin C and how it helps in immunity boosting. What is vitamin C? Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid and ascorbate. It is found in various food and sold as dietary supplement. It is used to prevent and treat scurvy. Benefits of vitamin C. It helps in synthesis of collagen, healing of wounds, repair and maintenance of cartilage, bones and teeth. Vitamin C is also act an antioxidant, meaning it can neutralize free radicals that can damage cells at the genetic level. Vitamin C is considered to be an immune booster too. It is very important in boosting. How vitamin C helps in boosting immunity. Vitamin C supports the production of interference compounds produced by the body when foreign pathogen is detected. It enhances the function of phagocytes, a type of white blood cell that surround dangerous pathogens. Vitamin C also improves the cellular immune response. It is also known to enhance cytokine production by the white blood cell. Vitamin C also helps in production activity of the antibodies. And let's start with the source of vitamin C. What are the sources of vitamin C? There are many, like pineapple, bell peppers, lemon, guava, cauliflower, broccoli. There are many. I'll tell you some of them. Let's start with oranges. As we all know, when someone think of vitamin C, this fruit probably pops up in their mind. In about 100 grams of an orange, 52 mg vitamin C is present. Oranges can be eaten as a midday or evening snack or can be consumed in the form of a juices. Even these oranges are also used as in desserts also. Mostly many of them prefer eating oranges. And next is lemon. Another citrus fruit known for its sour flavor are lemons. Lemons are also a great source of vitamin C. They contain about the same amount of vitamin C as do the same quantity of oranges. Lemon juice can be added to drinks to get a tangy flavor, or you can consume lemon in some water as a detox drinks every day. So this is also one of the citrus fruit. Next is kiwi. As we all know, a very few people know, but kiwi is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. 100 grams of kiwi fruit contains 92.7 mg of vitamin C. Kiwi fruit can also be consumed as a snack or added as a natural sweetener in desserts also. These three mainly, many of them add as a sweetener in desserts. And this picture you can see these are the bell peppers. Even vitamin C is present in these bell peppers, green chilies and capsicum. If you are not the biggest fan of fruits and sweet things, you can get your dose of vitamin C from peppers. Bell peppers, capsicum or even green chilies are good source of vitamin C. You can substitute chili powder in your food with green chilies or add bell pepper to your curries, soup and salads. Many people don't consume, but really it is very good. Next is tomatoes. Another fruit vegetable that is rich in vitamin C are tomatoes. Tomatoes are a base for lot of foods and cuisines all around the world. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, soups, juices, etc. Tomatoes are one of the most versatile food items out there. Broccoli. 1 cup of raw chopped broccoli has 81 mg vitamin C. That's not quite as much as orange juice, but a big serving of raw broccoli provides most of the vitamin C you will need for one day. Depending on the cooking method, the amount of vitamin C is reduced. But many people don't eat broccoli, but in foreign countries many use only broccoli. It is very good for weight loss and good vitamin C. Next is cabbage. The raw cabbage can add a bit of vitamin C to your daily intake, but cooked cabbage has even more vitamin C. Cooking cabbage causes it to shrink, therefore, the amount of vitamin C in equal portions of raw versus cooked cabbage will be higher in cooked form. That's why 1 cup of raw cabbage has 30 mg of vitamin C, while 1 cup of cooked cabbage has 60 mg. Cabbage also contain antioxidant vitamin K. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is crunchy, delicious, and an excellent source of vitamin C. 1 cup of raw cauliflower has 51 mg of vitamin C. Cauliflower is also rich in fiber, calcium, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Plus, it's a great source of antioxidant. Serve raw cauliflower with a salad or with a light veggie dip. Leafy green. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, mints, corianders, and many are there, are pretty rich in vitamin C and are also the richest source of plant nutrients. 100 grams serving of spinach packs as much as 120 gram of vitamin C, which is just about enough for a day. Make sure you include some leafy green in your meals every day to fulfill your daily vitamin C requirement. For simplicity, follow the red, green, yellow, and rule. Guava. Many of you don't know, but guava is a quite popular Indian subcontinent and is extremely rich in vitamin C. Compared to all this, guava has much vitamin C content, that is 250 mg in a 100 gram serving. This much vitamin C is over twice our daily intake requirement. They are also rich in other essential nutrients like fiber, folic acid,